How to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to tap and hold on WeChat application on your device. Now select app info. From this app info section of WeChat, select storage uses. Tap clear cache otherwise, and you have to simply clear the data as well if you wish to. For that, you need to choose the clear data and tap delete button. Once done, you need to simply check whether your issue was fixed or not. If not, you need to go ahead again to the same app info section of WeChat and now tap on force stop. Tap force stop to confirm. And once you have followed this all the steps, your unusual network problem on WeChat will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.